Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about function overloading in C++. What is function overloading? Function overloading is a really useful feature that allows us to define multiple functions with the same name as long as they have different parameters. These differences can come from the number of parameters, their data types, or their order. When we call a function, the compiler automatically figures out which version to use based on what we pass in. This helps make our code look cleaner and easier to understand. Why function overloading is useful. Function overloading is especially helpful when we want to perform similar operations on different kinds of data. For example, we can create two functions with the same name add, one that adds integers and one that adds doubles. This keeps our program short, organized, and more readable without needing names such as add int or add double. How the compiler decides. When the program runs, the compiler looks at the function name and the arguments in the call, then chooses the one that matches best. This decision happens while compiling, so it's called compile time polymorphism. It's a simple but powerful way to let the computer handle the function selection automatically. Rules and best practices. To overload correctly, each version must differ in its parameter list, not only by its return type. It's also a good idea to make sure all overloaded functions perform the same general type of task so your program stays consistent and easy to follow. Thank you for listening.